Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. So if you're watching right now, you're most likely on replay. So hashtag replay and let us know that you're here. And as always guys, my code Craft Treasures does save at checkout. Okay, we are going to use the Clock Stencil. Comes with 4 sets of stencils, guys. It comes with 2 sets. Hang on, because this is going to fall. Hey Cindy, hey Luann. It comes with 4 sets. So it comes with the Roman, y'all, it's going to be one of those nights I'm not going to be able to talk. Roman numerals, and then it also comes with the actual regular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to do the clock, and we're going to do our base coat in white. So I'm just going to leave a little bit in some places around the outside. So just concentrating around those edges for right now, and then we'll fix the paint in the middle, I promise. All right, and now I can feather out and blend and do all the things. So I just wanted to get that. And we always know first coat looks scary, and then the second coat is always what looks better. So trust the process, guys. All right, remember, first coat, don't be scared. Always that second coat that's gonna make the difference. All right, I'm gonna sand in between my coats, just a light sanding. All right, then I'm gonna do one more coat. And like I said, this is where it's all gonna tie together. Let's get that dry. I'm gonna go around the edges and then I'll wipe it back. All right. Trust the process, y'all. So I'm just gonna wet that down and get all my white. And then all I'm gonna do, like I said, you know, I like the rustic look, I'm just gonna take my wet towel, and then if I have any of that, we can just kind of blend it all together. Okay, guys. So I think that looks pretty cool. Got the worn look around it. And remember, we're putting transfers, we're putting all the things on it. I am going to stencil in chocolate brown. Again, we're using this part of the clock. Which way, I was gonna say, I'm not sure which way is the right way for y'all, but I want to show you. Up here at the top, can y'all see that 12 right here? And hair is free. And this 6 are right down here at the bottom with my hair sticking off of it, y'all. Can you see the 6? There we go. And can you see the 12? Y'all let me know if you can. They line up in the hole in the center. Okay? So, y'all, what in the world with that hair? When we go to line it up, not only will you be able to line it up with the center hole, you'll be able to line the 6 up, which I don't have it lined up. Right there. There we go. We've got the 6. And then we just line up the 12. Okay? And then you'll have the center. So if you're like me who doesn't like to measure things, and you put that on there and you're like, oh, do I have it crooked? Is it center? Because, you know, it looks like it is. All you got to do is make sure you got that 6 and that 12 lined up as well. Let's see how I want to do it. Okay, so we're definitely going to use these down here. And y'all know, I am not scared about using my transfers, y'all. So I think I want this one in the middle. I know right now it looks crazy. Trust the process. Peel the carrier sheet back. And let me make sure I have this how I want it. Yeah. And I just want to kind of, as a guide, as I'm doing this, I just want to kind of see where everything's going to fall. No harm in trying. So we're going to move this one just a little bit over. Right about there. So we'll do 2. All right, guys. So we got our flowers on. So now I'm going to put the numbers on, and then I'm going to go through and kind of fill in some of the things. Okay. So if you wanted to make this into a Lazy Susan, that would even be pretty if it wasn't a clock, y'all. So just decorate your round however you want to decorate your round, and then we'll come in and add our numbers. Again, if you're just popping on, the 12 fits over the 12, the 6 fits over the 6. And for me, to have the 12 on the bottom and put the 12 on top and the 6 on the top just works better. I don't know. That's how my brain works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up, and I'm going to try not to move. And line my center hole. So you can line this up, and then you can line your 6 and your 12, and you can tape it. That's what I'm going to do for right now, if I can find my tape. I don't know if I can have my tape out. I might not, because I didn't think I needed it. All right, well, let's just use a used piece of tape just to hold it. Okay, so I'm going to do all of these, and I'm going to come back and do my 6 and 12, okay? So we are going to offload this paint. When it looks like that, it's not worked down to the bristles, but on that side, it's a great example of what we're doing. So we're working that paint down into those bristles by offloading, okay? So just offload really well. Are we ready? We're committing. We are committing. Committing. Just use a swirling motion. Goes right over that transfer. Skipping the 6. I'm gonna put the 7 right over the transfer. I'm doing all the things on here, y'all, because I thought it would be fun. And I don't know about y'all, but like I like cool looking clocks, so I just wanted something cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna dry it real quick. And you are. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay. Keep in mind, we don't have the 12 on there. We don't have the 6 on there yet, okay? We don't have the clock mechanism. So now, all I'm gonna do is take this, and now the way I did it, I could have left this one down, but I didn't. That's okay. Just line these up, and we're gonna do our 6 and our 12. A little bit there, okay. And then we do our 6. Ow, my shoulder, y'all. Still having shoulder problems. I don't know if y'all heard it pop, but I just decided to pop. Okay, we'll be fine. We're almost done. Okay, guys. Okay, so we have our clock. I need you to envision this, okay? Envision. I'm just gonna put it like this so you can kind of envision what's happening here. We'll have our different, let me take it out so y'all can envision it here. Scissors. As like I said, you gotta see the full finished project because otherwise it doesn't look right. So, we'll have this on there. Can y'all see what we're doing? So we'll have this that'll spin around. You can see my necklace on there too. But we'll have different times. Okay? So as it spins, it'll go all the way around. We'll be able to see all the times. Does that make sense? It's kind of hard to hold it like that when it's not on there. Make sense, y'all? Does it make sense? Give me some hearts if it makes sense. I think that's going to be so pretty. And then we're just going to put a couple little embellishments on here. And when I say embellishments, I'm talking about butterflies. And we'll be done. This is so pretty, but so pretty because y'all know I love my florals. It is gorgeous. It really is, y'all. I did want to add one other thing. I wanted to add a little bit of script. So we're going to take the small script. Okay. There we go. Now I'm happy. Y'all probably can't even see the difference there. Can y'all see it with the writing? Give me some hearts if y'all can see it with the writing. All right, guys. That's all I got tonight. We'll see y'all back over here Friday at 7 p.m. on the 10th. So be blessed, be safe, guys, and thank y'all for everything. Bye.